Hey, what is going on, guys? My name's Joe, and this is the Good Shepherd buckle, and it's from Jerusalem Sandals. Now, this sandal's going to feature a really nice strappy design. You've got the toe hole up front, and you've got an adjustable buckle in the back so you can dial in that fit. You've got a molded footbed, it's got a smooth leather on top of that as well. Then we get the durable rubber here on the outsole. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a good shepherd or a bad shepherd, you won't be comfortable with a good pair of sandals, like this one from Jerusalem Sandals.